Respected audience and my dear opponents, good afternoon. Today, I proudly stand before you all to argue against the topic AI can replace human intelligence. Ladies and gentlemen, they tell us a storm is coming, a silicon hurricane poised to sweep away the very essence of what makes us human. They preach a gospel of algorithms and data, claiming that our intelligence, the very spark that carved civilization from the wilderness, is now outdated. Well, I'm here today to call that nothing more than a dangerous, soulless fantasy. Let me be absolutely clear. Artificial intelligence is the most powerful tool we have ever created. A brilliant, magnificent, and utterly breathtaking calculator. But to suggest that it can replace human intelligence is to say that a spotlight can replace the sun. It can imitate the light, but it cannot create the life. First, let's talk about this so-called creativity. An AI can scramble a billion images and produce a pretty picture. It can remix every song ever written and generate a pleasant tune. But can it feel the painful joy that fueled the Van Gogh Starry Night? Can it know the heartbreak that gave birth to Billie Holiday's Strange Fruit? No, 1,000 times no. It operates on the corpse of human experience without a heartbeat of its own. It has no soul to pour onto the canvas, no pain to feed into the melody. That is not creation, my friend. That is high plagiarism. And what about judgment, wisdom, ethics? An AI can process data, but it has no conscience. It can optimize for efficiency, but it doesn't understand justice. It can tell you the quickest route, but it cannot tell you the right one. Now let me ask you all, would you trust an algorithm to forgive your child? To show mercy to a fallen enemy? To understand the nuance of a lie told to protect a feeling? Of course not, my honor, because those are the human domains, lit by the unquantifiable flame of spirit. They shout about its processing power that it can play a chess. Well, a bulldozer has more power than 1,000 sculptors, but it cannot create Michelangelo's David. AI can memorize every law, every precedent, but it cannot look a defendant in the eye and see the story of a broken life. It cannot feel a bit of justice in its soul. It has data, but it has no wisdom. This is the grand folly of our age. We are so dazzled by the speed of the machine that we forget the depth of the mind that built it. We are the dreamers, we are the poets, the lovers, the rebels. We are the ones who laugh until we cry at an inside joke. We are the ones who feel awe in the sky and wonder if we are alone in this universe. And AI doesn't wonder, it doesn't hope, it doesn't love, it doesn't sacrifice, it calculates. So let them have data center, let them have the neural networks that can predict the weather and drive a car, but they will never capture the lightning in a bottle. That is the human spirit, my friend. They will never replicate the genius of a mind that can be shattered by grief one moment and write a symphony of hope the next. At the end, I would want to say, do not surrender the throne of your own intellect to a glorified database. Human mind is not a problem we solve. It is a universe to be explored. It is chaotic, it is messy, it is gloriously imperfect, it is infinitely beautiful. AI is our masterpiece, but it will never be our master. Our intelligence is and will always be irreplaceable. Thank you so much, my honor.